It is classic European influence home project that draws strong sense of its design through Marshall Watson's well-established aesthetic and design principles. This home project suggests a home filled with natural light and a soft, romantic atmosphere. Marshall Watson, as the designer, is known for creating elegant, light-filled interiors, so it's likely the space emphasizes brightness through large windows, reflective surfaces, and a light, harmonious color palette. This atmosphere of warmth and softness probably continues throughout the home, with layers of tactile textures like natural woods and luxurious fabrics. Furnishings are both classic and comfortable, perhaps drawing from European influences while still maintaining a relaxed, livable feel. Watson's European-inspired style likely merges seamlessly with the Californian coastal lifestyle, emphasizing a fluid connection between indoor and outdoor spaces. Natural materials such as light wood, stone, and perhaps elements like wicker or rattan help root the design in its Newport Beach setting. At the heart of the design is Watson's commitment to understated elegance and livability. His work is never overly formal. Instead, it's tailored to real life, with careful attention to comfort, proportion, and balance. The home would reflect the client's personal dreams and lifestyle, not just a designer's vision. Every decision, from layout to architectural detail, would be the result of meticulous research and a deep understanding of both the setting and the people who live there. Though public images or detailed floor plans for this project may be scarce, the designer confirmed its place as a significant and beautifully considered home. It is one that radiates light, warmth, and timeless sophistication. Outdoor living areas, ocean views, and an open, airy layout would enhance the experience of the California sun and sea breeze, aligning with Watson's belief in bringing the outdoors in.